Hi, I am Hassan and a co-founder of Bitlabz. Bitlabz is inspired by BBC Microbit, a pocket-sized computer that helps learning programming and robotics in a fun way, even for a 6-year-old kid. The traditional education system in Pakistan focuses more on the theoretical knowledge rather than skill-based education. The focus is on delivering the content rather than imparting knowledge and conveying the importance of the course. Most of the industry is seeking skill-oriented resources, while our youth is ill-equipped to take up those jobs. This is where the BitLab comes in. Our focus is on imparting skill-based and hands-on learning from an early age to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills using electronic devices like microbit. These devices are equipped with multiple sensors on board and are easily programmable using drag and drop coding. Kids can not only learn coding but also make small robotic toys. Other professionals can also use these devices to develop prototypes for real-world problems. Here is an example that shows a microbit-based car made using a piece of cardboard, which shows that the kids can learn programming using microbit without any additional cost using household scrap. Here is the coding environment of microbit. No ID is required. Everyone can easily learn concepts of programming using this drag and drop approach. To date, we have sold 300 microbits to educational institutes as well as individuals, earning a profit of $5 per microbit device. We are seeking funding to become partners and resellers of BBC microbits, which will make us the first authorized partner in Pakistan and enable us to acquire microbit at bulk rate, leading to a profit of $9 per microbit device. We target additional revenue by value-added service. AI, machine learning, and robotics is the future of technology. 64% of Pakistani nation is under 30 years of age. And if we enable these kids and young adults with problem solving and programming skills, they will be better equipped to transform the entire technological ecosystem of the country and contribute substantially towards the country's economy. Thank you from Bitlabs. I hope you liked our presentation.